They don't miss you because you begged. They miss you when the silence begins. Silence isn't surrender. It's the moment their regret is born. When you stop reacting, they start remembering. When you stop explaining, they start regretting. When you stop caring, they start feeling the pain of what they destroyed. Here are 7 silent behaviors that make people regret hurting you and feel the loss deeply, without you saying a word. Number 1. You see everything, but react to nothing. Nothing haunts a guilty person more than your unbothered silence. When you stop reacting, their guilt becomes unbearable. They expected chaos, but you gave them calm. And that silence? It cuts deeper than any words ever could. Your lack of reaction exposes their cruelty louder than your anger ever did. Number 2. You don't fight back, you simply disappear. Disappearing is a pain toxic people can't escape. Your silence tells them you're done fighting for what they never valued. You're not avoiding conflict. You're choosing yourself, and that hurts them. When you vanish without drama, they finally feel the emptiness they caused. Number 3. You create distance without explanation. Distance reveals the truth they tried to hide. The moment you pull away, they feel the loss. Your absence becomes their daily regret. Space forces them to face what they took for granted. You don't need to slam doors. Just quietly lock them out. Number 4. You stay kind, even when they expect you to explode. Your calmness exposes how unstable they truly are. They wanted you broken, but you stayed whole. Kindness after betrayal isn't weakness. It's power that makes them question everything. When you respond with grace, their guilt becomes unbearable, and their regret grows deeper every day. Number 5. You let life teach them what you couldn't. You don't chase revenge because you know pain finds its way back. People eventually suffer from the damage they create. Your silence lets karma deliver the lessons. Life punishes them in ways you never could. The universe handles what you release, and their regret becomes their teacher. Number 6. You choose peace over their approval. The moment you stop needing them, they feel the loss of control. Manipulation dies when you stop seeking validation. You value your peace more than their presence. And suddenly, they realize what they destroyed. Your peace becomes the reminder of everything they'll never have again. Number 7. You leave them wondering what changed. Mystery creates more pain than confrontation. You stop explaining, and they start regretting every moment. Your silence becomes the closure they desperately need but will never get. You become unreadable, and that haunts them. Being ignored hurts more than being confronted. Here's the truth. People don't fear being exposed. They fear being forgotten. Your silence forces them to face the damage they caused. When you walk away quietly, their regret screams loudly. They don't regret losing you when you cry. They regret it when you finally disappear, and they feel the pain of your absence every single day. Stay calm, stay distant, stay unreachable to those who hurt you without thinking twice. If this touched something deep inside you, share your favorite line below